Wherever your final destination is, just know that it is not nearly as chilly as we've been seeing.
Honestly, we've had at least a few days of milder air, but this is the warmest morning we have seen so far this week. It's just incredible out there.
It really is. I would venture to say that I was hot stepping outside.
Yeah.
Granted, I am in a long sleeve.
You're in long sleeves, and you're also coming from Greenville, which is one of the warmer spots on the map. We have a couple places like Greenwood that's a little bit cooler. The mountains are a little bit cooler, so maybe a couple places you still want that light layer. But overall, it is a mild morning in the 50s and 60s, and it's going to hold strong over the next several days. In the few spots that have dropped a little bit cooler, some fog has developed. Watching Franklin, Cullowhee, Silva, Waynesville, Asheville areas, all basically between the western half of Asheville's region. Looking at that fog dipping down into the mountain valleys where it has cooled quite a bit. The upstate looks mainly clear except for a little haziness down near Greenwood, though thick fog is not in the upstate. Temperatures today are going to warm up fast. Just like yesterday, you'll have a high of 78 degrees. It'll be partly cloudy and really nice overall besides the heat. In the mountains, 75 degrees today, sun and clouds with warm air. So rating your day, the sky meter is at a 9 out of 10. It's going to look and feel good enough to really spend as much time outdoors as you want to. Yesterday was 79 degrees in Asheville and 82 degrees in Greenville. This is a little warmer than I'm expecting for today, but I wouldn't be surprised with the same pattern in place to see one or two spots in the upstate get back to 80 degrees. We've got this high pressure to our north and east, and it's going to pull in a couple of clouds, and that's all basically moving in from off that coastline as well, with the moisture increasing across the southeast. That stickiness is back in the air, but we're not going to have much of a change in this pattern for the next several days. A boundary that's fairly stationary is off to the north and west of us. It's holding back any meaningful cold air into the upper Midwest. So the Carolinas, Georgia, Tennessee, all the way back to Missouri, stuck in this warmer air for such a late time of the season. As far as the sky conditions go, as the clouds begin to increase, there's a small potential for a mountain shower. I don't expect much, if any, rain there today. Tomorrow, though, while the upstate stays dry with clouds, we're going to see the showers pop up there near the Tennessee line. And then by Saturday, that's the day when we begin to see some changes. The mountains will start with around midday showers. The upstate sees some rain by Saturday afternoon. At this point, we need it. We're falling behind as far as October rainfall. It's been quite dry, so it's a good thing to have some showers out there. In the tropics, we're watching Hurricane Epsilon. This one is a weakening storm. It was Category 3 overnight, Category 2 now, and moving farther into the northern Atlantic by the weekend as it weakens to a remnant low. So no problems for the East Coast with that one. Temperatures now upper 70s for today, 77 tomorrow, partly cloudy both days. Saturday into Sunday bring a couple showers, and then by next week it looks to stay warm and dry. It's 5:16. We want to get to your riding forecast now, sponsored by the Harley-Davidson of Greenville. If you're riding this weekend, there's some time to do it. Saturday morning looks good. Sunday evening looks good. You get into those in-between times and you might find some scattered showers, so you might want to park the bike. It's less than ideal on Saturday in the mountains, of course, as we continue to watch scattered rain from midday onward. But Sunday, if you get out after the morning showers fade, your afternoon Sunday could look pretty good for a ride, and it's going to stay in the lower 70s.